Introduction. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Game AI. Game AI is a field of computer science that deals with the creation of artificial intelligence for games. Game AI is used to create characters that can think and act like real people, and to create game worlds that are challenging and engaging. Game AI is a rapidly evolving field, and there have been many advances in recent years. For example, Game AI is now being used to create characters that can learn and adapt to their environment, and to create game worlds that are more realistic and immersive. What is Game AI? Game AI is a complex field, but at its core, it's about creating artificial intelligence that can interact with the game world and with other players. Game AI systems are made up of a variety of components, including a planning system, which decides what the AI should do next. A perception system, which allows the AI to sense the world around it. A learning system, which allows the AI to learn and improve over time. The potential of Game AI. The potential of Game AI is truly limitless. Game AI has the potential to revolutionize gaming in a number of ways, including creating more realistic and immersive game worlds, creating more challenging and engaging game experiences, personalizing game experiences for each player. The challenges of Game AI. One of the biggest challenges facing Game AI is the complexity of the game world. Game worlds can be very large and complex, and it can be difficult for AI systems to understand and interact with them. Another challenge facing Game AI is the need for real-time performance. Game AI systems need to be able to make decisions quickly and efficiently in order to keep up with the pace of the game. Ensuring the responsible development of Game AI. It's essential that we address these challenges in order to ensure that Game AI is used for good. We need to develop Game AI systems that are accurate and reliable, and we need to establish clear guidelines for the development and use of Game AI. Conclusion. The future of Game AI is bright. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Call to action. If you are interested in learning more about Game AI, there are a number of things you can do. Read about Game AI research. There are a number of great resources available online and in libraries. Talk to experts in the field of Game AI. They can give you a first-hand perspective on the latest developments. Get involved in the conversation about the ethical implications of Game AI. Your voice matters. By taking these steps, you can help to shape the future of Game AI and ensure that it is used for good. Additional information. Here are some specific examples of how Game AI is being used today. In action games, Game AI is used to create enemies that are challenging and intelligent. For example, the AI in the Call of Duty series is known for its ability to flank players and use cover effectively. In strategy games, Game AI is used to create opponents that are challenging and strategic. For example, the AI in the StarCraft series is known for its ability to micromanage units and outmaneuver opponents. In role-playing games, Game AI is used to create characters that are believable and engaging. For example, the AI in the Witcher 3 series is known for its ability to react to player choices and create a sense of immersion. These are just a few examples of the many ways that Game AI is being used today. As Game AI technology continues to develop, we can expect to see even more innovative and groundbreaking applications in the years to come. Exciting examples of Game AI. In addition to the examples mentioned above, here are a few more exciting examples of how Game AI is being used today. Game AI is being used to create new forms of entertainment, such as virtual reality games that feature realistic and engaging AI characters. Game AI is being used to improve the educational value of games, such as educational games that feature AI characters that can provide personalized instruction. Game AI is being used to make games more accessible to people with disabilities, such as games that feature AI characters that can provide assistance to players with visual or hearing impairments. The possibilities for game AI are endless.